Do we look crazy? Do we look crazy? Do we look crazy? No. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Didibeauty. Welcome to the self-care family. So on today's video, we are going to be doing a very clean girl-ish demure. If you know that demure has been going viral all over the internet. But like, if you like this sort of video, then keep on watching. So first things first, I am going to prep my skin, and what I'll be using is a moisturizer. If you know that I have been a sucker of this particular moisturizer. I mean, the key to a very cutesy, very demure, very clean girl-ish makeup routine is your skin prep. So if you know that your skin prep is still lagging, to the bean! Using the Mary and May moisturizer to moisturize my skin. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and go subscribe to my channel. It is very, very much important that you subscribe to my channel, okay? So going in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, I took like a very decent amount. I'll be applying this basically on my T-zones. Like sometimes I go, like when I want the makeup to be like very much long lasting, I go ahead to like prime my entire face. But I don't know, what should we do today? Meanwhile, you guys, I launched my brand. I'm so excited. People who know me that like I really enjoy wearing jewelry. Like I'm really not the type of person that wears like elaborate jewelry here and there, like everywhere I'm wearing jewelry. I'm not that kind of person, but like I enjoy wearing jewelry. So every single time I'm always shopping for like jewelry, and then my siblings, like my friend, they'll come and just take it, and then I won't like, I'll still go back and buy another one, because what can a girl do? However, I thought about it, I was like, if I really like doing this, I might as well just make money out of it. Like, I mean, I not just like make money out of it, at least like hook the girlies on something. So I'm prepping my brows using the Didibeauty brow lace. I'm running out, so I need to replace this ASAP, and I will just like brush up my brows. So after taming my brows using the brow lace, I will go ahead with the brow mastic. I just found this brand newly. I don't know if by the Mel. The brand is the Mel, and their brow mastic brow wax. I recently just found this brand, and I've been enjoying their wax. So the name of my brand is just UD. UD is the short form of Udoka, and it is spelled YUDEE. So I'm going to put a screenshot of my page. So basically it is just to source beautiful, wearable, everyday pieces for it girls. So after taming this, to avoid this getting oily, go in with a setting powder, and I'll just use it to set my brows to avoid oiliness. So for foundation, I am going in with my Maybeline Superstay foundation. This is the shade 360 and 340. I'm going to mix both of them just to get my perfect match. The reason I am going in with a full coverage foundation is because like I have a couple of what was it called? I have a couple of dark spots here and there. They are not too intense, but at the same time, I just want to get that overall full coverage. I understand that clean girl is supposed to look like I'm wearing foundation, but I'm not wearing foundation. But clean girl makeup actually differs. Some people want to look airbrushed, but at the same time look like they don't have anything on their face, whereas other people just want to look like it is just their skin. Yeah, we can work with this because anything beyond this is going to make me extremely darker. Your damn beauty sponge, I'm going to be blending my foundation. This particular sponge is from Talkglam. To be honest, they have really good products. I'm wearing one of my collections. So I think I am done applying the foundation, and you can tell that the skin blend is out of this world. This is the Black Opal Stick Foundation in the shade Black Walnut, and if you know, you know that I really enjoy using this particular product. Although like I'm literally running out, but like we would still replace it, okay? And that's the beauty of actually being a female, having the ability to just take out a time out of your day and just, you know, do something, just transform yourself from looking to looking. If you get, okay? Make sure you blend till your hands fall off. Like blend till you know that all the harsh lines are gone. I feel like my complexion is like more neutral or more cool tone, but never warm tone. I use lip stains as my blush because lip stain is not gonna move. Blushes most of the time moves. So just apply this and then blend. This is very easy to blend and it dries out matte. Bring back pink blushes. Bring it back. Enough with the orange blushes. Enough with the yellow blushes. Like bring back pink blushes. Cool tone pink blushes. Neutral tone pink blushes. Like they make a whole lot of sense. I mean, like whenever I use pink blushes, I'm like, yes, I'm alive. I feel okay. I feel blushed. So for concealer, I am using the Nuban concealer in the shade 045 and the shade 046.5. This will go in my outer corner. Ooh. Cause I see her at the back of my mind all the time. Put it all behind me, shouldn't I? That song is so deep. It's so deep. Like if you don't cry after listening to that song, I don't think you felt it ever. I don't think you felt it ever. Cause I see her at the back of my mind all the time. I have a whack voice. Using the pointy part of my beauty sponge, I am blending out the concealer. Look, I feel like I'm actually doing a full glam, but like I just want my skin to just feel flawless. That's just the whole idea why I am going all in with like products. I know a lot of people when they are doing their clean girl makeup, they just go itty bitty. We don't do itty bitty over here, please. We do not do itty bitty over here. We wear the foundation, we wear the concealer, we wear the blush. Going in with the lighter shade, I am just going to dot it inside here, just for brightening. Time for the inner corner. Setting powder, I'll be using my RCMA setting powder, but before then, let's set our foundation. Set our under eye, I'm going in with a beauty puff and my RCMA setting powder. Tap out the excesses and just here. It's time to set my entire face, and I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the shade 65 Toffee, and I'm going to like set my entire face. it into your skin. It's time to contour, and I'm going to be using my CoverGirl Ebony bronzer. This is the shade 400. This bronzer, like the original, like the very first one, the color, the texture, the feel, it was so fantastic. But they discontinued that one, and then they came out with this one. This is the newly improved one. Now contour my nose. For blush, you know, I am using these 2 shades of blush. Pink blush on my skin, Chef Kiss. I'm using the Talkglam brow pencil to like define my brow. Okay, so this is my brows, and I think it looks proper. So let me do the other one. Very cutesy, very demure, very mindful. I'm not doing 2016 brows. I'm doing a very cutesy brows, okay? Oh my god. So for eyeshadow, we are going to be doing something brownish, something goldish. So I'll be going in with my Annie's Beauty brown palette, and I'll be using most of the brown shade. I'll be staying away from these ones because the idea is for it to look clean, girl, not for it to look smoky. So I'll be going in with these first 2 shades. I know I have literally no base. That is because when it comes to clean girl, you do not have, you don't need a base because you're not trying to make it pop. You just want it to look like, oh, I look put together. So I am going to take like these 2 brown shades and I'll just apply it all over my lid. So now you're looking at it and like, oh, that looks nice. Of course it does. I'm so proud, jeez. Going in with like this tiny flat brush, I'll be taking these 2 dark colors, the bronze and the ebony, running it under my waterline. I'll be going into like ebony just to get a little definition here, or just, yeah. In with this particular shade, tap out the excesses and just, ooh, yes. Yep. I will take a decent amount and then I will just press in. Because you're not doing a UK girl makeup today, so there is no need for our under eye to be overly bright. If you get, you get. I'm done dusting up the setting powder, and you can see, woo! Yes, yes, yes. So I'm using the Beautylinebydidi or the Didibeauty lip line. I'm going to just line my waterline with it. Set my face, I am going in with my Morphe continuous setting spray first, and then my Sephora setting spray. I need to order a new one because I'm running out. Give it up for Sephora. Honestly, she really tried in this particular product because it does exactly what it's supposed to do. For mascara, I'll be going in with my Nuban Beauty mascara in Soro, Soke. Speak up! It's so good, it's so good. Highlight. This is the Fenty Beauty highlighter. I always enjoy applying this. Using the Didibeauty lip liner in the shade maroon, I'm just going to go ahead and line my lip. with this one. This one has like a little more tint to it. Okay, I think this one does it a little bit. I went ahead to style and restyle my hair because I doubt it was giving. However, we are going to leave my hair the way it is. The makeup looks super nice. I ate. It's very wearable, very clean girl kind of makeup, and I enjoy showing you guys how to achieve this type of look. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Also hit the bell button to get notified every single time I make an upload. Do well to share, leave a comment, like, and I will see you guys on my next one. Mwah! Bye.